How to find IP address in Windows 11. The IP address is a unique identifier assigned to your device that helps other devices on the internet to locate it. Here are the three methods to find your IP address on Windows 11. Method 1. Using Settings app. First, click on the Start menu. Select Settings. Click on the Network and Internet option from the Settings window. From here, click on the Advanced Network Settings option. Click on the Hardware and Connection Properties button under the More Settings section. Here you will find your IP address listed under the IPv4 address or IPv6 address section depending on your network configuration. Method 2. Using Control Panel. Click on the Start menu and type Control Panel in the search box. Click on the Control Panel app to open it. Look for Network and Sharing Center option. Then click on it. Click on the Connections link next to the name of your active network connection. Click on the Details button. Your IP address will be listed under the IPv4 address or IPv6 address section. Method 3. Using Command Prompt. Press the Windows key and R key together to open the Run dialog box. Type CMD and press Enter. It will open the command prompt. Type ipconfig and press Enter. This will display your IP address along with other network information, such as your subnet mask and default gateway. And that's how you can find IP address in Windows 11. Thanks for watching.